How to fix error code 4-0xFFF0BE2C in Rainbow Six Siege. I'm going to tell you how to fix that error in Rainbow Six Siege. This error usually means your game can't connect to Ubisoft server, often due to a network issue. First, restart your router and your gaming device. Then check if the Ubisoft servers are down by visiting their official status page. If servers are fine, go to your network settings and make sure your NAT type is open or at least moderate. Strict NAT can block connections. You can also try forwarding ports specific to Rainbow Six Siege or enabling UPnP on your router. On PC, make sure no firewalls or antivirus programs are blocking the game. Finally, log out and back into Ubisoft Connect or reinstall the game if nothing works. That error code's all about connectivity.